This now has been seen by every driver at least once. It's clearly evident when modern vehicles have to brake suddenly because of a dangerous situation. Until recently, this safety feature was available only in cars. But now, BMW Motorcycles is the first manufacturer to integrate this system into the motorcycle segment. It can warn drivers of following vehicles even better about when the motorcycle in front of them is braking. There are two levels of the intensity of the warning. Level 1 is activated when there is a deceleration of more than 50 km an hour and is signaled by the brake light blinking with a frequency of 5 Hz. Level 2 is emergency braking. This signal operates at a speed of less than 14 km an hour and sets off the warning lights. This remains active until the motorcycle again reaches a speed of at least 20 km an hour. This difference is extremely easy to see in a direct comparison with an identical vehicle without dynamic brake lights. The dynamic brake light will become available as from 2016 as an extra for various models in connection with ABS Pro. In addition, we're going to offer this system as a standard in our luxury models K1600 GT, GTL and GTL Exclusive.